key numbers.
Alright, we're gonna divide up some avocados. Avocado, chef. Avocados. We're gonna do 2-digit division with remainders, and our first problem is 99 divided by 2. Well, how many times does 2 go into 99? Let's find out. Here's the good news.
9 with the remainder 1.
Oh, Hezzy already said it goes in so many times with a remainder of 1. Well, let's break it down and see if he's right. 99 is equal to 90 and 9. Now, why am I doing that? Well, that's because you can say, okay, 2 goes into 90. How many times?
And 1.
You would be absolutely right if you said it goes in 45 times. Wow, wow, wow. That's a little scrunched. Let's make that clearer. 2 goes into 90 45 times. Mash, eh? What is going on here? Alright, there's a rocket on the iPad, but you can't see it.
Engines start and liftoff of the Delta II rocket with SMAC, making global observations of soil moisture for climate forecasting.
2 goes into 90 45 times, and 2 goes into 9 how many times? Ooh, we can't forget about 9.
Remainder 1.
Hezzy says it goes in 4 with the remainder of 1. That's correct. It goes in 4 times. Hey, what's going on here, Shay? Yeah. 4 times 2, 8. Then you subtract. You get 1. So you have 4 with a remainder of 1, Shay. 4 with the remainder. Stop it! What's going on here? 4 with the remainder of 1. Or you can just say 4, remainder 1. And for those of you who are advanced, it is simply 4 and 1.5. We're all saying the same thing here. Oh, but we can't forget, we still had 45. Wait! We forgot about 45. So the real answer is 45 plus 4.5. Well, that's 49.5. Strange. Or you could just say a 49 with, what is going on here? 49 with the remainder of 1. That's one way to do it. All right, the boys are trying to draw on the tablet. You're going to see this in the video. Oh, thank you for circling that. Yeah, Shay. Yeah, well done, Shay. Hey, what's going on here, Shay? Now they're using the tablet as a rocket launch pad. Okay, get that rocket off the tablet. Yeah, Shay, you gotta get it off the tablet, Shay. Okay, we're gonna divide up some green beans. Beans, chef. Green beans? I specifically asked for green beans, not lima beans. Okay, how many times does 8 go in? You're just doodling on the pad. What's going on here? Let's start over. 8 goes into 57. How many times? Yeah, Shay, yeah. How many times does it go into 57, Shay?
7 with the remainder 1.
That's correct. It goes in there 7 times. Okay, there are 7 8s in 56. So, 8 goes into 57 7 times. 7 8s is 56, and then you have a remainder of 1. So, Hezzy's right. You can say 7 with the remainder of 1, or if you're really advanced, you take the 1 and you divide it by 8, and you say you have 7 and 1/8. So, this is the more common answer that you'll see, but this is also acceptable to say 7 and 1/8. Yeah! We're gonna share bananas with our friends. Banana chef. Let's divide 7 into 52. Does 7 go into 52 nicely? No, but we do know that there are 7 7s and 49. Mash, eh? So we're gonna have a remainder here. We have 7 7s in 49. So the difference here is 3. So that means we have a remainder of 3. 7 and a remainder of 3. 7 with the remainder of 3. Now you can also write that as 7 and 3/7. You take the remainder here and you divide it
Once you get the top,
by the divisor. This guy, that's the divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. That's the divisor. And that's why we say... All right, so you've got 7 and 3/7. Or you can just say 7 and a remainder of 3. Either one is acceptable.
First.
All right, we're gonna share some donuts with our friends now. We don't have any donuts. What do you mean we don't have any donuts? We're all out of donuts.